Welcome back, you lousy Florida traveler. We back down here in the Hickory Mound area today. I got my son and my grandson with me. We're at what's known as Bat House Road. We're going to ease down it. I've been down as far as the bat houses, but didn't realize till very recently that the road went on a little further. So, according to the GPS, where I looked at some global images from overhead, I was on Google Earth, and it showed a couple roofs down here of some other structures. Not sure how old them images were. It may not still be here, but we're going to ease down this road and see what we can see. Maybe we'll encounter some birds, something like that. So let's get on down there and see what we can see. Bat House Trail. Got a little hog sign over there.
See the trail?
Look at them swamps out there. Look at the size of them palms. A very beautiful area through here. Wildflowers are out. I imagine during the day today we'll see a lot of butterflies. Got a little plateau of open land up here, marshland. All along this trail we're seeing the signs of the hogs. Heavily used by hogs. And you can see way up there we're fixing to open up and get out a little more into the open. For those of you as a reference, when you come down here to Hickory Mound and you're riding, the road you're riding on runs around that side. We may even see some vehicles down here. Couldn't ask for a more picturesque setting. The sun's coming on up over there. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. The birds are starting to move, becoming active. The birds are starting to really get after it. If you look way right up there, you can see a bat house. And over to that side, there's some kind of structure. It might be a gate or something, or it might be a bridge. But I see a roof and a podium up there. So there's something on that little island peninsula. Let's ease on up there. Several different little island peninsulas off of here. You see this one over here? There's one here. Can you see the hog running across? Look at him, he is hauling butt.
Big.
He's still running across.
You saw him.
Well, that looks like some benches.
It is.
So you read the light.
Don't look like it's been mowed or nothing. Apparently it's not a concrete bottom. We're gonna ease out there to it and just check it out. Looks like we got a little bridge that goes to it. Let's see if it's structurally safe. Don't look like there's been much traffic down in here to it. Old bat house is down there. Don't look like there's been much upkeep on it. Jesus.
No shit on it. See that?
Yeah. All down through here. Probably some coon shit too. There's some benches over there.
Papa.
Huh?
That's fresh.
Yep. You can't really utilize them. Maybe we won't get on a snake. And not only birds, plants and insects down here are everywhere. All down this road we've seen different forms of scat.
Probably hog do.
Hog to coon. The birds are moving a little more now. It's about 8:30. We done seen a hog. Everything is active today.
Hickory Mound.
We're coming up to the bat houses.
Papa. Yeah, there's an alligator out there. You see where he slipped through.
Got a roof off of something laying there.
You hear the bat?
Not sure where that come from.
Papa, you hear the bat?
So we have made it to the bat houses.
I bet there's a shitload there.
You can hear them. Can y'all hear them?
Yeah.
Look at all that bat shit.
Boy, don't you know that's good fertilizer.
Is it?
Hell yeah. People pay high dollar for that.
I get
Get on that bat in there. Everywhere out there.
Look at that.
Eli has found a fossil. Let's look at that. Little island there behind the bat houses. We may come back at another point and explore that. Down there's that first little roof with the benches we walked up to. Let's see what you got there. Another shell, ain't it? All kind of fossils on this road. So we're past the bat houses now. We should come to a Y up here, where it goes to two different islands. All along the edges are little reservoirs of water. Be a good spot probably to get some bird photos. Once again, the impoundment road that everybody fishes off of is straight out there on the other side of that tree line. That tree line you see is it. Very active this morning. We've made it to the point where the road wise. We're gonna go to the left first.
Look at that. It's all
Then we'll-
blue out there.
Then we'll come back and go to the right.
There's a lot of it.
All kind of scat on the ground back here.
1, 2.
Behind the sea line.
Oh, sorry. I keep on forgetting. I'm too scared.
See that road there supposed to run according to the satellite, runs all the way out to that island.
There's more deer juices.
About every kind of little bird you can imagine is fluttering down here. There's some kind of bone.
A bone or a piece of
It's
Hey.
a bone. The road is getting a little less habitable. There's another piece of bone.
There's another one right here.
All right, we got some fresh tire tracks here. There's another piece of bone. Some kind of vertebrae, ain't it?
Yeah.
Old gator might have drug him up a deer.
What is that?
What is that sitting in the road shit?
Damn sure something, ain't it?
Let's be up. Let's be up.
Quiet, be real quiet. Be looking for snakes. Is that a hog? Hold up. Before we get too close. Let me get this pistol where I can get to it.
I don't know if that's a hog or a dirt man.
Unless this is where the
That's a
road
hog.
is.
No, that's something alive.
That's a hog.
I'm standing back here.
Ain't that a hog?
He's dead.
You sure?
Yeah. Look at the flies.
He damn sure smoking though, ain't he? A dead bear down here. Definitely a dead bear.
Oh my God.
He's starting to smell now.
Right there.
So we're gonna turn around now because this tram gets kind of pretty scarce, and go back and see if we can walk up to the other direction down there.
Right.
We back at the Y. We're gonna see how far we can go in this other direction without encountering a whole lot. This may be a little thicker than we want to mess with. Yeah, I think we should probably come back and do this during the winter. Look here, Eli. Bad as we want to go to that island, we've decided to try to wait till winter time.
Papa.
Where some of this is dead. It's just a little bit too thick.
Papa.
What, buddy? So there you have it. We've made it down to the Y. We'll come back and do this other section come winter when some of this grass is dead from some frost, some of these plants. So in case you ever wondered, that's what Bite House Road looks like down here at Hickory Mound Impoundment in Taylor County, Florida. Appreciate y'all following along.